Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. This is MP Slot Car, and in today's video we're just going to quickly run through where I am on my current track build. I did a little bit of work on it this week, so I want to show you where I'm at and what I have coming up next for the track. So let's get into it. So from this angle, you can see I did a little bit of greenery. Most of the foam is done. I still have a lot of shaping to do and obviously a lot more grass to do. So let's take a better look. So this is the track where it sits. Everything's kind of staged to where they're gonna go. Still have to put that grandstand probably here somewhere. So this is the first section I did with some grass, as you can tell. So what I'm using is 1/2 inch polystyrene board, and what I have to do is cut it on an angle and then sand it down, like you can see over here how I did it. So you can see I kind of cut it on an angle, sanded it. It's a little bit of rough, but that's fine. It just adds texture to when I put the grass. And I made this obviously a brown dirt color, kind of like a wash. Mixed a green and a brown together to get this. It's uneven, but again, that adds to realism, I think. So far, this is what I'm getting, and I have to say I'm quite happy with it so far. Got to touch up some areas, but for my first attempt at this, I'm not going to complain. The little runoff area here, tire wall, and these are the blends I'm using. So green blend, medium green, light green, and putting it with this static applicator here. So what I have to do next, obviously besides all the foam board, I have to figure out where I'm going to station all my lamp posts. Just trying to map them out now. And yeah, here's a look from this angle. So you can see that's how much of an overlap you'll get. I sign it with a marker here so I know where to cut. And from here I'll cut it on the 45 pretty much and sand it down. Still have a few more pieces of styrene to cut, but it's getting there. The bridge over there, I still got to make the cuts as well to finish the bridge, put lights underneath. Still got my work cut out for me, but as I said, little by little, we're getting there. Also picked up one of these, which I'm going to probably put here, just to add another lane change. So yeah, the reason why I didn't do a video showing me do this section, I figured I'd try it out first before I make a fool out of myself on camera and you just watch a video of me swearing for 5 minutes straight. Oh boy. So that's it for this one. Just want to do a quick update on where the track is at. It's in my basement. But yeah, in the next video, I will do a more in-depth look at how I'm shaping the polystyrene, sanding it, painting it, putting the static grass, trees, the whole shebang. I will get into that in a future video. I just want to try it out first before I did that. And I'm happy with the results so far. So stay tuned for more videos on the track build. I am going to get more in depth with it, promise. If you like this video, hit that like button. I want to thank everyone for all the likes lately, for all the subscriptions. We just passed 800 subscribers. Thanks, that's huge for me. Really appreciate it. So that's it for this one. I'll catch you guys very soon. Ciao. I wonder what they can be.